In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP with multiple columns in Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel and working with a simple table. In this example, the data includes 4 columns: ID, name, department, and salary. The sample records are 101, John, sales, 5,000, 102, Mary, HR, 6,000, and 103, David, T, 7,000. We'll also assume that cell G2 contains the lookup value 102. That means Excel will search for ID 102 and return related information from the same row. The important thing to understand is that VLOOKUP returns one column at a time. So if you want values from multiple columns, you can either use separate VLOOKUP formulas, or you can make the column index number dynamic so the result changes based on another cell. Let's look at the first method. To return the name for the ID in G2, enter this formula: equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, G2, comma, $, a $, 2, colon, $D, $4, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. This returns Mary. Here, G2 is the value we're searching for. A2 through D4 is the table range. 2 tells Excel to return the second column in that range, and false makes sure Excel looks for an exact match. Next, to return the department, use the same formula structure, but change the column index number from 2 to 3. So the formula becomes equals lookup, open parenthesis, G2, comma, $, a $, 2, colon, $D, $4, comma, 3, comma, false, close parenthesis. The result is HR. To return the salary, use the formula again and change the column index number to 4. That gives you 6,000. This method is useful when you want to display several related values at the same time, such as a name, department, and salary, all based on one ID. Now let's look at the second method, which uses a dynamic column number. If cell H1 contains the number 2, you can use this formula: equals lookup, open parenthesis, G2, comma, $, a $, 2, colon, $D, $4, comma, H1, comma, false, close parenthesis. Because H1 holds the column number, changing H1 from 2 to 3 or 4 will return a different column from the same row. This is a flexible approach when you want one formula to pull different fields without rewriting it each time. Just remember that the lookup column must be the first column in your selected table range, and using absolute references helps keep the range fixed when copying formulas.